Picture dictionary. A is an ape. Ape A is an ape that swings from a tree. B is a ball for Bina and me. C is for classroom. D is for dog. E is for an egg. F is for frog. G is the garden where the marigold blooms. H is for house with big and small rooms. I is for an ink pot. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for lamp. M is for man who lives in a hut. N is for nose, nine, nest, and nut. O is for an owl. P is for play. Q is for questions we ask every day. R is for river. S is for street. T for tomatoes that we like to eat. U is for an umbrella. Use it when it rains. V is for villages on hills and plains. W is for walnut, water and wall. X is for Christmas tree that stands so tall. Y is for yellow like the sun in May. Z is the zebra that gallops away. Tadi manje lopchin thamat chhatyo ra di lopdet zowa che di jela picture lana reumi haza pari la hora tanda dictionary che pari the de nyam dala ani di kala dictionary la chimbat kala chinzu la chora. So A is an ape. Ape lana pure le member yakalore this chimbush da the data ape le da dia khajidu that swings from a tree ani shindon ma kyang di kyu la swing na anchiyama kyang di kyu yi ape tres da A la di ape la ko A go chu go ra di ta dra jang ya da yamdala A na go chu kyu re le jura ti she che. B is a ball. B la di khare ball das na for Bina and me. Dear ball the switch dure Bina dangani chet ra. C is for classroom. C the any classroom chitures. C the classroom khati da le da sorry C li da. D is for dog. D the dog good. This dog rest da ye dir kho khwa jara the portion rin zo ina abcd kho da tree ro D the ne chi na yuna dog da the le da the to chi ro. E is for an egg. Ra E the egg race lana egg chitre la ra konga chit. F is for frog. Be pa che. G is the garden. Ra and edo domra the race de la khachi ore where the marigold blooms are the meadow sharot ko ra marigold and the meadow the region de la marigold che. H is for house and H de kare house race house chit de kare with big and small rooms and the house condition amdala house de la ani khangmi chinju the chimbo yake yeah. I is for an ink pot. Ink pot lana naza luksa ya. Ink lana naza che. Pot lana zama naza luksa dila. Ink pot che. J is for jam. Jam aras palinyam said. K is for kite. Shoja che. L is for lamp. Nuki pugula lamp. M is for man. M the man race. The man the sure medikawere who lives in a hut. Zakang nan de king yi medila ore la. Tadi da siru tewa ro chuk shor. N is for nose and the nawures. And the nashi nine nest nut din samaritas. Nine and changa kuba che nest lana chitang che nut lana dru ma khalor. Sön nan de dila soon la chomero ta soon di amazon nam yu saya de ya targato da ani di khasa badam da zola nut la chudwa O is for all ra upachi P is for play P la di tsmutsech res Q is for questions we ask every day ani Q di tuwa le res di amazon yandarishi tuwa kuyate ra R is for river R di Chukchuche S for street shulam laira gyulam laira langatriche T for tomatoes T the tomato is the kare answer sayal kawi was U is for umbrella U the umbrella is I need to use it when it rains the and chawa vikadu sam pejichi was V is for villages V the and villages translate is on hills and plains the translates khoire and richung hills la richung jong ko chala richung da ni sacha level W is for walnut na tarkara dinashi water and wall chuta wall sama W ko chura tichi X is for Christmas tree that is Christmas la dusha ra lotus number Christmas la ra Christos leda da right Christos ra ti Christmas tree de shinong chubuda ki issue gi losarot that stands so tall konzo khandich tigre perimbuchun tikwas Y is for yellow Y the seoche khandidora na like the sun in May ani chindap mawa nalda nima chawoyo kechara di nashin ge seoyores Z is the zebra Z the kare tatardas that gallops away the and tatar the khandichire gallop lana pet tadin juda chomdu da khazar jogudu zambala chika kambani tambu kamba dyuni de chomdu nejilani chom yamda chomdu juda the like gallop